In today's video, I want to talk to you about the critic in your life doesn't count. Hey, is your boss a narcissist? Narcissistic personality disorder is a mental disorder. It's a diagnosis. And here are some of the symptoms. I'll just read them to you. There's about 10 of them. The narcissist, they have little capacity for empathy. They manipulate, they make others doubt their reality, which is actually called gaslighting. They lie and they believe their lies. They make others doubt their emotions and they'll call you crazy. They rage and you end up apologizing. They blame, they never accept personal responsibility. In the beginning, they love bomb you like Prince Charming. They slowly abuse you and try to get you to believe that you're insane. And then they isolate you. The results of this will be you'll be confused, you'll be mentally paralyzed, you'll be depressed, anxious, you might have panic attacks. I know I was a victim. I suffered from this, and I couldn't go into a store and buy 10 things on a grocery list. It got so bad. The narcissist is the critic who does not count. This is the person who points out where you stumble and where you could have done better. They blame you, they ridicule you, they try to manipulate you with shame, they put you down, and they make you doubt yourself. I run into a lot of narcissistic leaders, and they don't like me too much. Let me give you an example. One of them called me one day, had a problem with some things going on in his company, and I said, well, here's the question you need to ask yourself. How are you contributing to this problem? And then he texted me back and he said, what world do you live in always telling me what to do? And I sent back a message. I said, because if you have a problem in your life, the diagnosis of that problem is always tied to yourself. So you got to ask yourself, how am I contributing to this in some way? How am I contributing to this problem? It's your responsibility to discover what that is. That's what I told him, so he could figure that out. But the narcissist doesn't have enough humility to take correction or receive correction, and wisdom doesn't come. Hey, thank you. I hope this video helped you, and God bless.